IBM, I wrote the strategy that became Smarter Planet when I was at Ogilvy in 2007. It took a year to sell the campaign, which we did door to door. It was retail politics, so to speak, because we weren't creating a campaign, we were creating a movement within IBM among IBMers. It was basically change management, first and foremost, and then a communications platform. Smarter Planet ran for 7 years, from 2008 to 15, in 73 countries. The ROI in business terms, multi-billion-dollar revenue impact, $3 billion lift in 2010 alone, 47% year-over-year growth for the company in 2011. The software business was up 90%, and they had a runway to $10 billion in lift by the end of the campaign in 2015. It also had a profound impact on culture at IBM, which I'm really proud of, given IBM's heritage. The strategy idea was rethinking the way the world works, there's a duality to that. So it works in business and in society, and that duality is what makes the idea special. So Smarter Planet is a depositioning idea. I think it was actually the first era of solutions idea at Mass. The judo move, IBM escaped the server box by elevating intelligence to a global stage. So rather than competing on faster machines, which is a commodity fight and the way that the competition was behaving, IBM turned its scale and legacy into cultural authority, making rivals seem like narrow tech vendors. It became the architect of progress.